Hey there, I'm Grammarman, and welcome to our channel, It's Grammar Time. Today, we are going to explore the types of sentences. Sentences are like building blocks for our thoughts and ideas. In this video, we're going to get introduced with 4 types of sentences on the basis of their functions: assertive, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory sentences. Let's start with assertive sentences, which are also known as declarative sentences. They help us understand the world around us by providing clear and concise information. They tell us information or share our thoughts. Whether we're discussing our day, sharing an idea, or simply making an observation, assertive sentences are our go-to. They're the most common type of sentence we use every day. From casual conversations to formal presentations, assertive sentences are everywhere. Let's look at some examples of assertive sentences, which will help us see how versatile and essential assertive sentences are in our daily communication. The cat sat on the table. This simple sentence tells us exactly where the cat is. This sentence tells us a fact. The cat is on the table. I love eating pizza. Here the speaker is sharing a personal preference. This sentence declares that the speaker enjoys pizza. It's a simple way to express joy and satisfaction. The sun is shining brightly. This sentence paints a picture of the weather, giving us a clear image of the day. This sentence describes the weather. The sun is out. It's a straightforward way to convey the current conditions. See, assertive sentences are straightforward and easy to spot. They make communication clear and effective. They state facts, opinions, and observations. Whether we're talking about the weather, our favorite foods, or where a cat is sitting, assertive sentences are essential for clear communication. Now let's take a close look at interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences are curious creatures. They always ask questions. These sentences are essential in our daily conversations and writings because they help us gather information, clarify doubts, and engage in meaningful dialogues. These sentences want more information and end with a question mark. The question mark is like a little hook that pulls the reader or listener in, making them think and respond. Check these out. Where did you put the keys? This is a common question we might ask when we can't find something important. This sentence asks for the location of the keys. It's seeking specific information to solve a problem or satisfy curiosity. Do you like ice cream? This is a fun question that can start a conversation about preferences and tastes. This sentence asks for a preference, seeking an answer in yes or no. It's a simple way to understand someone's likes or dislikes. What time is the movie? This question helps us plan our activities and manage our time effectively. This sentence asks for a specific time. Knowing the time of an event is crucial for being punctual and organized. Remember, when you see a question mark, you're looking at an interrogative sentence. It's a signal that someone is seeking information or clarity. It's asking for some answers. So, next time you see a question mark, be ready to provide the information or think about the answer. Time to move towards imperative sentences. These sentences are like the superheroes of language, always ready to spring into action. Imperative sentences are action heroes. They are the ones that get things done, whether it's saving the day or just helping out. They give commands or make requests. These sentences tell someone what to do, and they do it with style. Sometimes they sound bossy, but they can also be polite. It all depends on how you use them. Let's see them in action. Close the door, please. This is a polite way to ask someone to shut the door. This sentence politely requests someone to shut the door. Eat your vegetables. This is a more direct command, often used by parents. This sentence gives a direct command to eat veggies. Please pass the salt. Here we see another polite request. This sentence makes a polite request at the dinner table. Imperative sentences can be both firm and gentle. Whether it's a gentle nudge or a firm instruction, imperative sentences get things done. They are essential tools in our daily communication. Finally, the wow moments. That is the exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences are full of emotions. They express strong feelings, joy, surprise, excitement, or even anger. And guess what? They always end with an exclamation mark. Let's feel the excitement. What a match we won! This sentence shouts out the joy of winning. That's incredible! How unbelievable this news is! This sentence expresses surprise and amazement. This sentence shows disbelief or shock. Exclamatory sentences add a powerful punch to our writing, letting our emotions shine through. Now let's test your understanding of the types of sentences. Ready for a quick quiz? See if you can identify the type of sentence for each example. What's your favorite color? The dog barked at the mailman. How amazing the new technology is. Please turn off the lights. Post your answers in the comments and I will let you know whether you got it right or wrong. Feel free to ask your doubts and questions. I would love to help. See you next time on It's Grammar Time, when we explore each type of sentences in greater details in a series of dedicated videos.
If you enjoyed this grammar adventure, give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting language lessons.